Hey y'all, so I'm walking around doing me a little nature walk. I kind of already did it, but just to show y'all that we, you know what I'm saying, that we do this, and it feels so beautiful, man. The feeling of the ancestors here with me, the feeling of the energy of the trees and everything, man. Y'all might say y'all can call me a tree lover all y'all want to. I'm starting to think they was the main people that understood how everything worked. It's beautiful. But yeah, man, it's how it is. You know what I'm saying? You can take the time to admire and appreciate things like that. It is beautiful though. It's like a little wooded forest over here, man. You know, little something. There we go. Yeah, man. Like this stuff right here, beautiful, beautiful feeling. Just the life force and everything, man. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna take y'all back on the walk up out of here so y'all can see how that trail look, cause they actually got that trail looking pretty nice though. See, when I get my daughter, these are one of the main things that I'm gonna start letting her understand how to appreciate more, instead of all this technology, all this, you know, all in the phone, all in the TV all the time. And I'm starting to learn myself, you feel me? So it is a great journey. I guess you can say this was my nature walk. What's the word I'm looking for? Sponsored by my twin cousins. They inspired this, you know, sponsored from them, whatever you want to call it. One more thing I wanted to say. I love you. This is for my daughter. I love you, boo boo. Kennedy Griffin. It's got my last name. I love you so much, and I appreciate you. You the reason why, one of the main reasons why I keep going every day. Y'all just don't understand, man. I'm coming for my daughter, and we're gonna have a beautiful time. But y'all be easy. Peace.